Heart beats fast, colors and promises.
Hello guys, ayan, breakfast po tayo, mama. Jausan. Ayan, kasama ko po ang mama. Magbe-breakfast po kami ng may wagang ginisang carrots with scrambled egg and white onion. Yan po yung aming simpleng breakfast today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Ayan na nga, guys. Good morning again. Inday is back. Kamusta po ang lahat? Ito po ang aming simpleng breakfast today, guys. Scrambled egg, white onion, and carrots. At saka yung brown rice kagabi. So, ayan, guys. Thank you for watching again. Let's eat, guys. Yummy tummy. Yummy eating. Bye-bye. So, ayan guys, kaway-kaway sa may hilig sa gulay, guys. So, ang dami nating gulay today again, guys. Dala ni Madam para tayong may farm.